Artificial intelligence applications in supply chain. Supply chains play a crucial role in quality customer experiences, cost control, and a company's agility in the face of market opportunities and uncertainties. Companies seek speed, reliability, and traceability whilst considering their cost imperatives, deadlines, and inventory optimization. Supply chain managers should monitor and avoid incidents and factors that disrupt the supply process, from the most common incidents, delivery delays, quality defects, etc., to major events, political unrest, natural disasters, suppliers' financial instability, etc. These factors could cause supply chain complexity in already uncertain environments. According to Mentzer et al., a supply chain is the network of organizations that are involved, through upstream and downstream linkages, in the different processes and activities that produce value in the form of products and services delivered to the ultimate consumer. To work well in the complex environments in which supply chains operate and to create more agile and resilient supply chains, these linkages, processes, and activities require monitoring, forecasting, prediction, and optimization. In recent years, applications based on artificial intelligence, AI, have emerged in several different fields including supply chains. AI enables systems to make resourceful decisions and execute tasks automatically without human intervention. Companies exploit AI and machine learning to gain insights into various areas, including warehousing, logistics, and supply chain management. AI definition tend to differ based on the perspective from which we wish to define it. A restrictive definition of AI can encompass every machine or equipment that uses computational abilities to mimic human intelligence. There are many definitions of AI depending on what AI achieves, and are generally classified into 4 categories on the basis of the factor of a thinking human being and in terms of rational behavior. 1. Systems that think and act like a human being, and 2. Systems that think and act rationally. From a general perspective, AI can be defined as the ability of a system to reproduce human intelligence, with the ideal characteristic to rationalize and take actions that have the highest tendency of achieving a specific goal. AI makes it possible to implement predictive approaches that allow rapid assessment and more effective minimization of the risks or disruptive events that could occur throughout the supply chain. It also enables users to distinguish patterns in the supply chain. Using algorithms, AI can clearly and quickly identify relevant supply chain data to develop models that enable managers to better understand how each process works and to discover areas for improvement. Nye et al. 2020. In this new approach of using AI to improve the supply chain and search for optimization, AI enables companies to constantly learn about areas that require improvement, to identify factors that affect performance, and to predict performance. As globalization continues, businesses are looking ahead to optimize their supply chain and develop their capabilities, which brings many changes to the market, demand, data availability, management and more. These changes require the concerned business organizations to follow up in order to maintain their competitiveness by avoiding demand uncertainty, disruptions, and financial risk. Thus, many capabilities should be developed within SCS to ensure the highest rankings in the global competition. Since the world has been moving towards a digital future over the years, one of the most outstanding technologies that could assist in the enhancement of SCS capabilities, thus of its transformation, is artificial intelligence. AI is a technology that has been applied for many years but is still far from being fully utilized in SC. Yet, only recently have technological developments shown that AI has many applications. In addition to its increasing adoption in industry, AI shows a growing and extensive presence in the scholarly discourse, and this presence can be noticed in many fields. Although research regarding AI is being conducted, there is a need to explore the contribution of AI to the field of SC. There are no systematic reviews entirely devoted to the AI applications in SC. Usually, researchers focus on AI for supply chain management, SCM, thus restricting their research to the managerial aspect and excluding the process perspective in which a researcher can consider the applications of AI in the different processes of the SC. It is also important to note that even with the limited focus of researcher, only few studies considered AI applications in SCM. The work of Minutes was the first work in which the author conducted a review on AI applications in SCM. The author selected 28 articles related to AI tools and SCM activities, and extracted 7 AI tools and reviewed their applications in 8 SCM activities. Ng et al. Reviewed 77 articles from 1994 and attempted to explore the applications of 7 AI techniques in the SCM of textile and apparel industry. The results of this review claimed that the gaps between AI techniques and SCM were caused by the unbalanced applications of certain ML algorithms like NNs. The articles identified above presented some insights of the AI applications in SCM, but they all failed to produce a systematic review. This remark is formulated with consideration that these research works are specifically devoted to SCM.